So this right over here is the GeForce GTX 1660 Super. Now you might be wondering, why am I showing you a 1660 Super in mid 2023? Well, this is the best graphic card on the market right now at a very low price, but still giving the best performance, almost neck to neck with an RTX 3050. Now this graphic card is best for high-end gaming, as well as doing some video editing, as well as if you have some schoolwork, such as working in Blender or some game development. This graphic card is best for you. And if you have a low-end PC, this graphic card may up your game. And you only need like 450 to 500 watts in order to run this graphic card. So most PCs already have that. Just you need some wiring done and your PC is ready to go. Now with this graphic card, you can actually run most of the games at around 150 to 200 FPS, which is fantastic, and 1080p. Now if you're talking about a little bit heavy like 1440p or 4K, then you might need to switch over to like some RTX graphic cards because they are way more powerful than this. And this comes with 6GB of GDDR6 memory, so it is pretty much enough on a budget PC. Now this can support up to 3 monitors with DisplayPort, HDMI, and DVI, so you have 3 varieties to connect. But I recommend 1 or 2 because this is not much of a powerful graphic card. Now the real main reason why I have brought this graphic card, and this is because of the current value in the market of this graphic card. Now if you search up a 1660 Super like a year or 2 back, it will be sold for like but currently right now you can get this for like about $100, which is a steal. So enough with the specs, now let's put this into our PC and let's do some performance testing.